Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken stir fry. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. Over here I have 4 cups of vegetables. I'm going to be using onions, snow peas, some broccoli, and some red bell peppers, but you can use whatever vegetables that you prefer. And then over here I have 1 pound of cut up chicken. I'm going to be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you could also use chicken breasts. And then I also have about half a tablespoon of ginger paste, 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I also have about 3 garlic cloves that I've cut up very small. And then for the sauce, you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of water. And then over here, I just have some canola oil for stir frying. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is cooking the chicken. So a good tip when stir frying is you're going to go ahead and heat up your pan first before adding the oil. So I heated my pan on high for about a minute, and then I added 1 tablespoon of the canola oil, and now I'm going to be cooking my chicken on a medium-high heat. And while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. So I'm just going to add the 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce to the water and just give it a good mix and set it aside. After my chicken is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and take it out the pan and just put it on a plate for now and just set it aside. And then I'm going to be cooking my vegetables. And after taking out the chicken, in the same pan, I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables. I heated up 2 tablespoons of canola oil before adding the vegetables. And I'm going to go ahead and stir fry these just for about 2 minutes, just to get that raw crunch out of them. But you still don't want them to be soggy. So just for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and now add my chicken back to the pan. And I'm going to mix that in with the vegetables. And after adding the chicken back to the pan, I'm going to go ahead and add the ginger and the garlic. And after adding the ginger and garlic, now I'm going to go ahead and add the sauce and let that cook together for about 2 minutes. And after a few minutes of cooking the sauce with the chicken and vegetables, now my chicken stir fry is ready to serve. I'm going to be serving this with white rice, but it also goes great with fried rice. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.